Welcome back to our channel, guys.
What's good, what's good, what's good? Welcome back to another video.
If you are new to our channel, my name is Jade.
My name is Kay.
And what are you waiting for to subscribe? Hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel because it's only going up from here. We're getting lit, guys.
And today, as you guys can see in the title,
it's Sunday Fun Day.
Sunday Fun Day.
So
we're going to try to be, as accurate as we can with these. So far, this is our third one.
Yep.
So we're trying to be consistent, all right? Trying to be consistent.
It's 6:20 right now on Sunday, and this video will be up before 11:59. Guys, enjoy that last challenge that Kay just did at the DMV. Are you willing to try that challenge? All right, so I said you need one clean dry cup without a lid. Fill the cup up halfway with water.
Halfway. It gives you the little cups.
Then it says add 1 drop of blue, red, yellow, and hold on the tip. The tip says try to add the drops closer to the side and at separate points like a triangle.
I got you.
Oh,
what is that?
What is that?
Something always happens. This thing just came off. All right, chill out. Watch out. 1 drop right there. 1 drop separate is like a triangle. Why it went all the way down to the bottom? I think it's already messed up. I'm telling you. Science experiments are hard. Gotta be careful.
Yeah, mine's just leaking.
You're just leaking. 1 drop right there.
1 right there. Right?
Yep. Pop it up. That's it.
Oh, snap, y'all.
Alright.
I'm doing this and not even recording for y'all.
Oh, the closer view. So now it says to add a teaspoon, sprinkle, whatever. I don't know if all this is supposed to go in there fast because we're reading as we go. So I got this little 1/4. It said 1/4 teaspoon. Bam, 1/4 teaspoon. Fill this little joint up. Add some instant snow.
The instant snow came with the box that we got.
We probably should just go get some real snow from outside.
I really don't know where you would get other snow. And it just says to add it and watch the snow instantly expand into a rainbow.
For real?
Yeah. Into a rainbow avalanche. Yo, look at it.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know.
Yo, why? Is it going to come out that cup?
I hope not.
Yo,
it's soaking it all up.
Should I add more?
It looks like a slushy. No.
Yo, can I touch it?
Wait till it's filled out.
Is it cold?
It looks like a slushy.
Yo, it looks like it's cold. But I don't know if
it's
hard?
Gooey. I'm filling my cup up. It says halfway, but I'm going to do it the whole way.
Okay.
Here,
well, let me do one too. Well, I'll see yours first. I'll see yours first. I'll see yours
I'm doing mine my own way.
I ain't gonna say nothing.
Bro, are you even recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
No, you're not. I cannot with this girl.
Oh, that was your fault. You give me this like it was already recorded.
Look what just happened.
What? You put it all red. Put the thing in there. Should we even measure?
Nah.
Just pour it?
Just pour it.
Tell me when.
Do it.
You do it. It's yours.
Right.
It's yours. You do it. More than that. Well, we put way more in this one. More than that.
Babe, it's a black blob again.
What the, you put nothing but the blue in there. A lot of the blue. You gotta add way more. Like, it ain't doing nothing. You see it?
You're trying to, like, make me do something I don't want to do. Yo.
Let me do it. I got you. Can you touch it?
My finger just got stained.
But let me do me right now. Jade's is over there filling up nice and well right now. Nice and well.
Mine says black blob. How Kaylee's first science experiment turned out.
Hold on. It says 1 little drop, right? Bam. Amarillo, baby. Yellow. And red, right? That's it. No, wait.
Yeah, because it says to see what colors you make. Yellow and red make orange.
Yellow and blue. Yeah, but yellow and blue. Green, right?
Yep. So smart, baby. So smart.
Girl, listen to this school. Bam. Now, we're going to add the salt. The snow, y'all. Let's add this snow up in here and see what pops off with the snow.
All right, ja.
What you mean, Ja? It's mine.
Stop, babe.
Bam. Woo! I got it over here. Y'all blocking this. Y'all blocking this. I just realized that. Look. It's growing. Look how fast it's growing.
Yours look cool.
Girl, don't use the dark colors. See? Use light colors, y'all. Light colors is always make it look nice. The dark ones is like they get too mixed up and it just comes out looking like purple or black, like real dark. It's cool, yo. Can y'all see in there? It looks like, an Italian little icy, dried up after all the juice. That's what I
thought, like maybe it was like frozen.
But like literally, look, it's not pouring out.
It's like real soft.
Can I get it to pour out?
I know. Let's like dump it on a napkin.
Oh snap! Oh snap!
It stained you.
Yo, it's not staining me. Look.
Look at your finger.
What are you doing with it? Oh, where'd that yellow come from? I must have touched something else. Yo, look! Wooga, 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 look. Oh, snap! Can I, like, squeeze it? It's mine. I could squeeze it.
Babe, you're making a mess now. Leave it up to Kay.
Yeah! Yo!
Look at your hands. Why is it big? Stop playing.
Yo, she thought I already throw this at her. All right, guys, so pay attention to your kids because it seems like it can get a little messy. Yo, you know what it looked like? I've seen this before. This is what comes out of babies' diapers.
Yo, it really is.
Yo, this is like that gooey baby diaper crap. This is not cool.
Like when you when you take a baby
to the pool. It's real sad when I see your diapers should not be your diapers should not be like that.
I'm using an example as when you take your kids to the pool and you don't get the swimmers diapers and you put them in.
Well, I call people out. Y'all babies should not be walking around with diapers that this stuff falls out of. I've seen this stuff fall out of people's diapers and I be like, yo, I think your baby needs a diaper change. Like, I know it needs a diaper change, but I don't want to be mean and be like, I know your baby need a diaper change. And you know what I'm saying?
She really will, though. Like, Kay has no filter at all.
I try, yo. I'm like an honest person. I'm sorry. I'm just going to be very honest. And if the good Lord intended me to go out and be honest to people, that's what he intended me to do. Oh, snap, yo. It's just so cool, yo. I just like it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Smash that like button.
Don't leave your kids alone with this.
With just water in the snow.
What do you mean?
Like without the food coloring?
Yeah, let's try that out. Scoop that right there real quick. Babe, you knew I was gonna.
You're making
just try it real quick before we end this video. One more time before we end this video.
The cup's not even clean.
Cup and this. Instant snow.
Hold on, make sure we don't even need this instant snow for none of these other projects.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to go to Walmart.
We're gonna find some instant snow.
I'm gonna go open up a box and give me instant snow.
She's not gonna do that.
No, I don't do that. Yo, it does do it without it.
See, so you can
I can really make it like a diaper. Look at it.
It looks like a slushy, like legit slushy that you can eat.
It doesn't smell like anything.
And as y'all know, I would dare Kay to eat it, but Kay takes dares very seriously. And we're dare her to eat this because
I'll probably be in the emergency room.
Yeah.
This probably will expand in my insides or some crazy thing. Like, but
do not eat. Do not eat this.
Do not eat this. There's probably warnings on this box. There's warnings. Chemicals that may be harmful. We're gonna end this video right here. Girl, I touched all this stuff.
It's on your face.
How?
I don't know.
Oh no. Well listen, we gotta end this video right here because we about to go make another video. Y'all want videos consistency, right?
Yep.
One of our videos hit something, so Jay gotta go do something. Wait till you see that one. I know we're gonna have a blast with that one.
Yeah, stay tuned. So when you guys see us in this outfit again, you know why. We made a video right after this video.
And as always, we love you guys. Stay tuned, and we'll be back
with another video.
And experiment. How do I stop
challenge?
this game? Zoom that in, babe.
I got you.